year in paradise, Barbados to offer long-term stays to remote workers. You could move to Barbados and work there remotely for a year. Barbados is planning to introduce a 12-month remote work visa to attract visitors. If you have ever dreamed of living in an island paradise, that fantasy could now become a reality. As remote working becomes the new normal, Barbados is hoping to turn its beaches adjacent to crystal blue water into your new outdoor office. The Caribbean country is set to introduce a 12-month Barbados welcome stamp, which would allow visitors from overseas to stay for an entire year and work remotely, according to a speech made by Prime Minister Mia Amar Motley last week. You can come here and work for a couple of months at a time, go back and come back, she said. Motley acknowledged the difficulty of short-term travels with coronavirus restrictions and mandated quarantine, but a year-long stay could help jumpstart the island's economy, Insider reported. Tourism makes up a significant portion of the country's gross domestic product, 40% to be exact, with more than 2.4 million travelers going to and from Barbados each year, typically spending $1.1 billion on the island. But due to COVID-19 restrictions and fewer people traveling, tourism has come to a screeching halt in Barbados and other Caribbean countries. Beaches, resorts, restaurants and local businesses are virtually empty, but the 12-month stay proposal comes at the perfect time, as flights in and out of the country are set to resume on July 12. Beaches, resorts, restaurants and local businesses are virtually empty, but the 12-month stay proposal comes at the perfect time, as flights in and out of the country are set to resume on July 12. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section and like and subscribe the channel for latest updates.